right, well, it looks like union members are already heeding the call from AFL-CIO boss John Sweeney to directly engage town hall protesters. Now, in this video from St. Louis, you see people wearing SEIU shirts. Now, that stands for Service Employees International Union. There were arrests in this confrontation where a town hall attendee was allegedly beaten. Now, are the unions really using violence to stifle a legitimate debate? And are they doing so with help from the White House? Well, Mark Brenner is director of Labor Notes. He's in San Francisco. He's going to help us talk about all this. Mark, what's going on? What are the unions doing?
Well, Tracy, what they're doing is responding to the debate that was thrown on the table by some well-funded lobbyists and real political operatives from Washington. Dick Armey's Freedom Works Foundation is telling supporters of a much more kind of conservative view to get out there and disrupt these town hall meetings, and union members responded by saying, no, we want to actually discuss these issues. This is vital to the nation, and that's what we're going to do. Sometimes these things get hot, but definitely people are there to exercise their democratic rights and have everybody be heard.
And Mark, you know, and I absolutely support, I don't support the left or the right ever, but I do support their right to come to these things and actually express their opinions and get the dialogue going. But I've seen clips where it seems like some of the unions are actually trying to keep people, from, if you're not part of the union, from even attending the town hall. Are there any threats, any physical threats going on out there? The reports are out there. Do you believe any of them?
No, I don't at all, Cody. I mean, look, who we're talking about here is we're talking about people that are hell-bent on disrupting the actual conversation that we need to be having publicly about what our future is going to be in terms of health care. And, you know, this is something that the flat earthers, that the people who don't even believe that Barack Obama is a citizen of this country started, and union members are just responding to make sure we actually get a conversation, that it doesn't get shut down by a fringe element out there to destroy any kind of progress.
But I got to tell you, I did go through some of the blogs, and I was reading some crazy stuff that, you know, this is war, these town halls are the battleground to fight these things. I mean, them fighting words. Those are words that you're pretty much saying, get out there and fight.
Well, yeah, we're responding to the gauntlet that was laid down by people that are trying to shut this down. And so we're going to make sure that people hear the voice of what's now become the silent majority, progressives in this country that actually want change, that want health care reform. Because if you poll any poll that you look at, most Americans want substantial health care reform. And I'm with Congressman Kucinich that single payer would be the way to get it. But we're not even allowed to talk about that right now. We've got people coming in and shouting people down, keeping things going, holding up you know, evidence that they supposedly believe Barack Obama's not a citizen of this country. Come on, Tracy, that's the fringe element we got to be worried about
Mark,
here. Not union members out there making sure the conversation happens.
Mark, we got just a couple seconds left, but I guess what I take issue with you calling people who are attending the town hall meetings fringe element. What if those are truly just American citizens that are going and disrupting them anyway? We need to embrace them too. We don't want disruptions, but hey, we do want the average citizen showing up, whether he's right, left, or
Absolutely, Cody. There's no problem about that. We need more engagement. We need a lot more engagement than what we're seeing. There's no question about that. But you can't say that the confrontations are starting on the union side. That's not true at all.
Mark, thanks so much for joining us today, Director
Great to be here.
of Labor Notes.